Snakes all around, they fall upon the ground, don't even make a sound. It's magical, the snow.
Yay! We're having another fun mail episode!
Yay!
I'm super excited and thank you to everyone. I'm so grateful for sending me some super cool fan mail. Yay! Well, my dad knows how much is in here, but I don't.
Well, Tiana, in your last fan mail video, the box was full, okay?
Yeah,
and in today's fan mail video, your box is full again.
Yay! Thank you, everybody. Yay! I'm so grateful. Yes.
So Tiana really enjoys fan mail videos, guys. And yeah, thanks so much for sending Tiana fan mail. And she's got loads yet again. And we're going to try and open them all in this video.
Yes. Open as much as we can.
So I'm here with my big scissors again, Tiana. So you ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Woo! Remember? Pop. Pop. Yes. Pop.
Oh yeah! I can see trolls.
Alright then, Tiana. Ready for the tip?
Yep.
Come on then, TT. 1, 2, 3. Boom!
Oh my gosh, I just seen a 2D blind bag.
Wow!
Yeah!
So you've got loads of fan mail on the floor. I think a lot just slid off the table. So
Yeah.
we'll put everything right on the table. Then we'll start opening, guys.
Woohoo! I got my scissors.
I've got my scissors.
Okay, let's open. Ooh, Shopkins.
I knew you would go for that one, Tiana, as soon as I seen it on the top of the pile. Okay, I'm going to start here.
It says please open on video at the back.
Okay.
I think I need the case off on this one.
Of course.
Right, it might
Wow.
get very...
Is that a blind bag attached to the actual envelope? Oh, it might be a note. Let me have a look in there for you.
Or the letter.
Or a letter, yeah.
Oh, I got a blind bag.
Blind bags again.
I got another blind bag.
This is cool. Look at this. A £10 note, but it's obviously fake, but it's just cool. No, it's, yeah. Wow.
There's another blind bag. That is actually really cool.
So let's find out who sent you the £10 note. This is, seems...
Yes, and I got my letter.
Whoa! Look at that.
That's a really big note.
Well then, Tiana, you might as well put that on now. It's cool, isn't it? It's huge.
Touching my leg.
Is it touching your legs?
Yes. Here's a letter from my blind bag.
Okay. Oh, we've got a photo, Tiana. So if you can get a camera. There we go. So there's the photo of the girl. And the name is Chloe.
Thank you, Chloe.
So Chloe sent you those blind bags, yeah? And now this is the letter.
So this is...
Princesses from Chloe as well?
Yes, I got princess.
Ah, so she sent you princess figures.
Yeah.
She's your #1 fan, by the way, Tiana. And there's the letter from Chloe.
Oh, thank you, Chloe. So much.
So, okay.
Ooh.
So that's a good start. Very
Got
nice.
Minions.
Minions.
Minion and a bracelet. That's pretty. Oh, look at this bracelet. It's really pretty. Yay. Right, this is the last blind bag. The Minions, really funny.
So you got some other goodies in here as well?
Ooh, is this Pez? Pez!
Got Pez?
Candy Fizz. Look, there's Candy Fizz.
Oh, the fizz ones.
Yeah.
Is that, are they little live? No.
Littlest Pet
Littlest
Shop.
pet shops. Nobby.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying to find a letter in this.
Prizes I just got right there.
Okay, so the Minions, Princess Pez.
Yay!
Okay, moving on. Bracelet as well.
Yeah.
It's from this
Nice.
one. Okay.
Tuesdays, I think I might try to open that.
Okay, why
I
not?
think it might have fell out one of the letters or it came like that.
Moving on to...
Oh, it says on the back it was hard to tape.
It was hard to tape. The message right there. If it was hard to tape, that means it's going to be hard to open. Let's see how Daddy goes with this letter. Right. Hard to tape.
Elephant!
And it's hard to open as well. I don't want to use my scissors. I might cut the letter. I'll just poke it. Poke, poke, poke. There we go.
This baby's so cute.
You've got a baby Tuesday. Wow. Kinder.
Egg.
Kinder egg. Always cool. You know we love Kinder eggs. We've got a big...
So next,
Yeah, why not?
there's some surprises from the koozies.
So what's in here then? What
The
surprises?
chocolate scrap.
Well, Tiana, we've got a lot of figures in here. They're like pets and cuties.
No! Squinkies!
Slinkies. Let's find out who said... Oh.
I love Squinkies. Thank you so much.
Right, let's find out who that's
And is
from.
this a trash pack? I love trash packs too. The fuzzy pack.
Tiana.
Ah, that's cute.
Cool. Toys and Me drawing.
Here's the chocolate. It's a bit cracked.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh,
Chocolate everywhere, guys. Tiana, that's from Izzy.
Thank you, Izzy.
Very cool letter from Izzy. Thanks very much. And Tiana's rainbow from a logo in the bottom corner there. Awesome.
This one might need you to build it.
Build. Yeah?
The instructions are in the capsule.
Okay. Right. Well, it's a bike, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
So it's a Kinder bike.
What should I open?
Go, 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 go. Right. Letters, letters, letters.
Got this one.
I've just spotted some loom bands.
Loom bands.
Loom bands.
We always get loom bands in fan mail, but they're really cool.
And some more jewellery.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh. Is that a kitty cat?
Is that tangled? Oh, yeah. Daddy, look.
Oh, okay.
Hey, I've been sent one of these before, but only it was a little different. That's cool.
Libby. That's from Libby.
Thank you.
This is a letter from Libby.
Thank you so much. They're so cute they are.
Okay.
I've got a bracelet.
Oh, the mail's falling.
A bracelet. Oh!
Okay.
And there's the
Let's see what we've got on
letter.
this one.
Ooh. I've got a Lego character.
Oh, this drawing's cute. I just love the rainbow drawings when you get them sent to you. Look at that. So cool. The colours. I love the colours.
Yeah. Here's the letter for these cool surprises.
And that's from Katie, Tiana. Is that a letter from that surprise? Who
Yes,
sent you the
it
drawing?
is one.
Okay.
That's a really pretty drawing, isn't it?
There you go. From
Thank
Katie.
you.
Thanks very much.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I will open
So this
that.
letter here, is that my name? To Tiana, my name is Lily May, and I live in Southampton. I love Shopkins. Okay?
Yeah, I
Lily
love
May.
Shopkins too. Thank you so much.
Well, Shopkins is your favourite, isn't it, Tiana? So I think
Yeah.
everybody knows that now.
Here's the letter, but I don't know what surprises are yet.
Okay.
Because that's the first thing I pulled out.
Well, it's from Anastasia. That's
Thank
what I can
you.
tell you. And there's the letter from Anastasia.
I got. Is this like a drawing for me to colour in? Look. Yeah, I think I get to colour this in. Look.
Okay. So,
Let's see
so
what-
this is from Anastasia, yeah?
Oh,
Oh, is this
yeah.
the drawing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
I think
it's a colouring.
I think. Yeah,
And it's a Minions drawing. You've got to colour in.
Yay!
Cool.
There's a necklace as well.
It's very nice.
My Little Pony. Ooh,
Ooh, we've got some Dory stickers on here.
Dory.
Dory.
Oh yeah, Finding Dory.
Blind bag. Ooh, bouncy ball. Tiana.
Possible.
Boing, boing.
Oh
Boing, boing.
my. Ooh. This one's a little bit heavy.
Go for it.
Marble. Look, I can put on my. I can put on my marble set I got.
So, the Dory letter.
Dory letter.
Okay, it's finding it.
This might be hard to open.
Wow, Dory stickers. Look, Tiana.
Ooh.
Ooh. And you've got a blind bag as well. Got to open. I think there's 2 blind bags.
Uh-huh.
1, 2.
This is quite hard to open. Oh,
So are these blind bags.
this is so hard.
Get the scissors.
Scissors.
These blind bags are super, super wrapped up well.
Yeah, this is super, super wrapped up.
And Tiana's struggling and Daddy's struggling.
Oh!
Oh, I've got
Yeah,
Dory.
I've got something as well.
Well, is that Dory or...
Yeah, that's Dory.
Is that Dory? Okay.
Yeah. Look, Minions ball. Oh.
Second blind bag, that one's
Got
easier.
something inside of it.
Oh, we've got a Shopkin.
Ooh. Crispy lettuce!
Crispy lettuce, thank you.
Thank you, yay. And here's my letter for the one. I could smell nail polish and there is nail polish.
Right.
Here's the letter for mine that came with this and then the other surprises are in
Okay.
here.
So that was from, let's have a look. That's from Ruby and Born, I think, yeah, that says, yeah.
Thank you, Ruby. And I got some nail polish from her as well. Right there.
On this letter, Tiana, it says, I think it says that, yeah, be careful opening this. Wow, be careful opening this. Okay.
Wow, this is was quite heavy. This is so pretty. Feel it's quite heavy actually.
Wow.
It's way too. Isn't
So,
it?
Tiana, I was told to be careful, so I'm being careful.
I'm putting this on.
Right. I'm very careful, look.
Hey,
Very
did you
careful.
have answers? It jingles and yeah.
So, you sent the letter.
I'm opening this one.
Abella Bishop.
Thank you.
Oh, she said last time she sent you mail, you forgot to read it. I saw you and Isla and the baby food challenge. Just wanted to let you know that I live in the United States of America and I know you guys live in England, which is in the United Kingdom. I think you need to do the pizza challenge. Oh, Bella, there you go. So we've opened your letter this time.
Yes, and this is kind of scented.
Okay,
Well, a little bit.
it is.
Yeah, it's like orange.
Yeah. Right then.
So there's pen. Ooh. Whoa. Okay, so which one's the letter? Got some drawings.
Have a look now.
It says colour. Letter T. I just love family.
I've just got a short note in this letter. It's actually on the envelope. Here we go. It's there.
Oh, look at this cute drawing.
Tiana, is that you?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, and then I also got this. It's like a
Okay.
stack of emojis.
So this drawing's from Lois.
Thank you.
That one there. Okay.
Yes, and I also got those.
Are these from the same person, Lois, yeah?
Yes. And I see this really
Well, you've
pretty
got to colour that in for Lois.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
And I got this super pretty bracelet.
Wow, you've got a few bracelets on you so far on this video.
I'm putting them all on. How about I put all the bracelets on and see how many
There
I
you
get
go.
at the end?
Let's go. Put them on.
There's one there.
Okay.
That's cool. Is there any more? There's a rubber.
Nope. Right. So
Make sure.
I wouldn't. This is from Brooke, Tiana. Nice letter from Brooke.
you.
Loves your channel.
Thank you. Yay.
Cool.
Okay.
This one, I think, is from America.
America?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Well, America, I think it is. I might be wrong, but let's go. Soon find out.
What? Is this an envelope inside of an envelope? Is it? Or is it not? Is it just a letter? It's hard to get into that.
Well, the letter's from Isabel.
Thank you.
She loves your videos, Tiana, Isabel. And then we've got... Oh!
Ooh, Shopkins. Hey, look.
Is that Shopkins?
Yeah.
Oh, is it like a puzzle thing?
Uh-huh.
It reminds me of one of them Rubik's Cubes, but a Shopkin one. Yay, with the colours. Cool.
Cool. I could just twist this strip.
That's cool, Isabella.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, Isabel. Yeah. Okay.
This is...
He's still...
I can't take
Okay.
it out.
You have to...
An envelope inside of
Oh,
an
Tiana, speaking of... bracelets?
Yeah.
So the letter will be in there then, yeah? I'll do the letter for you.
Okay.
So this letter's from the one who just sent you the bracelets. I love the envelope. It's cool.
Huh?
Yeah. There we
Right.
go.
This one's a hard one to put on because look, you have to do this part there. When you do this part, It's not one of those that you have to
Okay.
put that on your wrist.
So we'll go. Yeah?
Yeah!
Cool. Right, let's find out who sent it then. Oh.
I think you have to match up the colours. Look, you have to match up the colours, I think.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's like the Rubik's Cube.
Uh-huh.
Her name is Evie who sent you that.
Thank you.
And here's her letter. Cool drawing on there, Tiana. Look. Ooh.
Oh, yeah. This one's got some cute stickers on.
Yeah. Whoa, letters are falling, guys.
Oh, my God.
We have to be careful, you see, because the letters are falling off the table. And we don't want to get them mixed up with the rubbish.
No.
Like this one was underneath the table, so I might as well open it.
Yeah. It's a small one as well.
Yeah, small, cutie.
This one's got bubbles in it. Look. Bubble wrap. This one's got bubble wrap here, and then the letters in the...
Bubble wrap.
Yeah.
Well, Tiana, you've got... I'll keep the letters, I'll give you the blind bags.
I've also put it in.
Here's the blind bag, and I've got the 2 letters, and that's from the bubble wrap envelope.
This one says Shopkins on it.
Okay, open then. So, it's from Connie,
Thank you.
and there's the letter from Connie.
There's also a little part at the back as well.
Really? Oh, bless.
Yeah.
Right, there's also another one from Connie as well. What's
You
your
can do that one.
Have you drawing? Colour me in.
Yeah.
See if you can tell what pony that is.
That is Twilight Sparkle.
Connie, she's got it right. Twilight Sparkle.
Yay. I got Bessie Baseball, I think that's the name, and then a rubber. Star rubber, yeah.
Betty Baseball. Back to this one.
I'm not so sure on that one's name.
Right, you've got a card here.
This one says horse on it, so I think it's like a little toy horse.
Your friend Cody. Nice card.
Oh, thanks.
Loves your channel. Awesome.
Yeah.
There you go.
It has a C on the back as well.
Yeah. Cool. Right, okay.
Ooh. Oh yes, there is a toy horse in here. Look, it's like a little farm set horse. Look at the horses.
Wow.
That's quite big. Yay! Thank you. This says please open on YouTube, but actually we will open them all on YouTube.
This is from Abella. Dear Toys and Me, I always watch your Bean Boozle challenge. I like your videos.
Thank you.
Bean Boozles. Ugh. The one, what was it? The stinky socks. Oh, and the eggs. They are just bad. Mum hates Bean Boozles.
Oh, this is for your dad. Here.
Wow! Somebody sent me a plush. Oh, this is exciting! Daddy's got a plushie. Oh!
I just
Hello.
got a bracelet, so
Thank
put it
you
on.
very much. Yay!
Ooh, look
That's
at
cool.
this.
So, wow, that's
That's
pretty.
the same person.
Is there a letter?
There's a letter.
Right, so let's find out who sent me the plush.
There's some blind bags in there.
Well, I think it's from Sophia Hart.
Thank you.
And thank you as well. Super
For
duper
your
cool.
dad.
And a letter. This is awesome.
Oh, bracelet. Put that on.
Thanks very much. Let's have a look what's in here.
What's it?
Is that Mr.
Put it on. You
Is that
take
Miss-
it off and put it on.
Oh wow. Pretend moustache. I'll tell you what, Tiana, you can wear it for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Even though it is for you.
Yeah, well you're that side of the camera.
Yeah.
Okay. It's got sticky. Let me see if I can get the sticky. It's hard.
Oh, is this a squinky? Not squinky, sorry. It's sticky.
I'll pass it to Mum and she can get the sticky off while we're getting busy with the letters, yeah?
Okay, that's fine.
Mum!
Look! Can you hear him?
On top of the post, yeah? John's gonna wear a moustache.
You're back. Ooh, chopped frosted Shopkins! This is like really sticky, look. Right, I think this might be bounceable because it is round.
Okay, go for it then.
I put 2 bracelets on there. Hi, Mum. Hi.
Oh, she's done it already.
That's bad.
Oh, that looks super sticky, Tiana.
What if it rains?
Oh, it's good. I'll tell you what, I'll let you put it on. So that little gap there goes between, yes, there you go. Oh, that's a classic. Sophia, you've done a good one there.
I'll keep that on.
Yeah, why not? Okay. I've just found a blind bag. I must have missed that.
Blind bag.
That feels sticky. Sticky.
Yeah, mine was.
Is that Shoppy Kingy? Shoppy Kingy?
Is it?
Whoa, yeah, it's sticky.
I know if it's a Shopkins.
Oh,
Yeah, that's a Shopkins.
it says Pop on it.
Yeah, that's a Shopkins.
Yeah, Pop. Is that the name? I know Pop's something to do with it. Oh, there we go.
Bouncy ball. Ready
There we
for
go.
a bouncy test.
Tiana, I've never seen that Shopkin before, ever.
I have.
Have you? What season then?
3.
Season 3. Okay.
Yeah, it's really cool though.
Right.
This moustache feel is really ticklish on me.
Yeah.
Bubbles.
Hey, Bubbles.
Bouncy ball, are you ready, Dad? Catch it. Oh!
Boing, boing. Oh.
Oh.
Where's my bouncy ball? That moustache suits you.
It suits me.
Got a letter here from Gina.
Thank you.
Let's open it. She's from Manchester. Oh, jewelry. Oh, bracelets. Cool.
I need to put that on now.
Yeah. So Tiana's gonna, all the bracelets Tiana gets in this video, she's gonna put them on, guys.
These
So
are
you can
like,
see.
These are like those Cinderella earrings.
There's the letter. Please keep doing videos, by the way.
Yeah.
I'm sure Tiana will.
So pretty. Thank you.
You're jingling. Do you know what? I'm gonna start collecting the chains. I'll put the chains.
Should I pass you this?
Okay, I'll have that chain then. So at the end of the video, all the chains. I've got one there from
There's
Tiana.
one on hair as well. Though.
Okay, this one here. Can I get it? Where's Mum? Mum can put that on for me.
That should go. There's the one on hair as
So
well.
there you go, Mum. That can go on me as well.
Daddy,
And
you're
I can-
wearing all the girl chains.
Well, you know, having a bit of fun. Ooh.
Strangling you.
I think that might be one of those.
Guys, I couldn't get that chain around my neck because it was just too tight. So
It might have meant to be like that.
the one what Tiana was wearing, the red one, that's just so nice and it fits me perfectly. Oh, this is cool drawing.
Cool.
Look, Tiana, colourful. Yeah.
Look, I got one of those squeaky giraffe.
I know this shop, kid. Even though it says it on there, but I knew the name Poppycorn. One of my old-time favourites, and it's from season 1. Am I right? Poppycorn.
2.
Is it?
I think.
Oh, I thought it was 1. I was being a smart one there, wasn't I? Oh, well, who's that from then? Let's have a look. Mum's putting earrings on me. Oh, wow. Ah! Is that what they feel like when you clip them on? That hurt. She's
Look,
putting earrings on me.
I got a letter with Shopkins.
Wow. That is cool.
So,
Thank you very much.
can I have the other earring as well?
They feel heavy.
Dad, you look so weird.
Do you know what, guys? I'll show you at the end of the video. So,
Daddy
yeah,
looks
you'll get to
so
see me with the jewellery on. So I can just see you all laughing now. Right. So, what have we got now?
Well, I am.
Olivia?
Thank you. Even though I haven't seen it yet, but still thank you.
Well, yeah, of course, because you know it's mail. So you're going to say thank you. Even
Yes,
though you
thank
don't know what's inside.
Thank you.
Right.
Ooh, I can see that there's a drawing so far. That's for sure.
Loves your channel. Keep having great fun. Thank you very much.
Oh, scissors.
The pile don't seem to be changing, really, does it?
Wow, look!
What have we got, Tiana? We've got a big... That's like a poster.
There's a letter on
Toys
the
and Meat Rules. And we've got...
Oh,
It's from Lauren.
Thank you.
She loves your vids.
Yeah,
And your dad is lovely. Thank you.
Ooh, yes.
I got excited there. Mummy's in the background, guys, laughing.
She's just stood there.
She's laughing.
Mom, do you want to open the letter?
Why not?
Why not?
Yeah, grab a letter. Okay, Tiana.
I mean, that's-
La la loopsies. That's from Charlotte.
It's turning into a fan mail episode into fantastic.
Yeah, guys, fantastic. And guys, if you guys, well, no, most of you will know what fantastic means. Well, fantastic is short for like, well, the fam's family, and tastic is fantastic. So that's what Tiana says now when it's a family video. Fantastic.
I've got some candies.
Mmm.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Okay, moving on. So what have you got, Mom? Okay. Please send back this letter. It's letters from... I'm not sure, but it's very nice.
Who's this one from?
Let's have a look, baby. There it is. Can't see which... Oh, let's have a look. You carry on and I'll have a look.
Okay.
Okay. Well, they like your tango video and they like the sweets, but I can't see no name.
Oh.
Oh, well, thank you anyway.
Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Right, okay.
Come on, need. Oh, this is big.
Oh!
Oh
So, how did that happen? Was it already open then?
I think so.
Everything just fell out, Tiana, on the table. So you've got all... Oh, I love these. These are yummy.
There's a list.
What's happened there? What's in here?
Oh, look, that's clever. Look.
Bracelet, please. Loom band bracelet to Tiana. Oh!
Thank you. That's really cool.
That's cool, isn't it? Look that. Very nice.
Oh, wow. There's just loads of things just came out then.
Thank you very much.
Whoa.
Right, let me go. Mail again! That's a big parcel, Tiana, down there. Please open me on YouTube. So I'll do that right now. Oh, that's already been opened then. I'm going to open this one.
The moustache is tickling.
Wow, we've got a lollipop collection. Blind bags. And a big blind bag.
That's a big
Medium blind bag.
Medium.
Tiny blind bag. And a small medium.
A small.
Another medium. Oh, and a smallish medium. So many blind bags. And a letter. Okay. And it's from Jade.
Thank you.
So it's from Jade. So now it's time to open the blind bags from Jade.
Yeah.
And Mum, can you help me? I'll give you
And Dad, can you like
these
get this
three
out?
from Jade.
It's like tangled.
Okay. And also Jade has sent you
This
a
says
drawing.
for summer.
Oh, you got one for summer as well.
This is for
Thank you,
summer.
Jade. Just gonna
Thank
open
you.
your blind bags now. Right. Ooh. This is like a puzzle.
I just sneezed because it's
Did you just sneeze? I didn't see that. Well, that's a pony as well.
Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash.
I'm not sure whose this is for. Does that say a name?
What is that? Is that from Jade?
It's a pom-pom.
Is that Pom Pom? Pom. I've got another one. Pom Poms from Jade. Thank you very much.
Dad, I'm not sure who this is for because look, it says a name, but I'm not sure who it's for.
Okay. Well, Mum's on the blind bags. There's another letter there. Thank you very much.
Yay!
There you go, T. Another fan. Awesome. A photo there. You've just been sent some ribbon from Jade. Whoa. Yo, Mum.
Yeah. This
Tiana,
one
you can open your own jewellery shop. Got some emeralds there. Some diamonds. Yeah, that's from earlier. Okay.
Now the big blind bag's for me. Oh look! This is from McDonald's.
Thank you very much for the sweet letter.
It says Tiana's parents.
Yeah. I've just read it. Very nice.
Look.
Is that trolls?
Yes.
You've had a few of these from McDonald's, haven't you? Are they from McDonald's?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank
From
you.
Jade still.
Let's look.
Tiana, I'm feeling Shopkins. Hand out Shopkins, Shopkins.
Yay!
So Shopkins, Tiana's favourites, and
Two.
from Libba. No. Yeah, liver. Okay, if I pronounced that wrong, you can tell me off in the comments.
But
There you go. There's a letter. Nice rainbow effect. I love the rainbow drawings from your logo.
Yeah.
Right, okay, this one's staring at me. It's saying open me. So, oh, it's already been opened. Has it? Yeah. There's some stars in there still.
I'm opening this one.
Oh.
It's sticky.
Wow. Right, moving on to the bigger ones.
Big.
Plush! Plushie!
Furby.
Furby! Tiana, bracelet, get it on.
Wow.
You got a surprise tin here, I think. Pop.
That's lip balm.
Lip balm, go for it. Let's have a taste. Well, not a taste. Have a taste of lip balm. Don't do that, Tiana. That would not be good. Silly daddy.
That's good.
What about these figures? Animals? Your favourites?
The lip balm is actually quite good.
Yeah? Is that a Shopkin? Was that from earlier? Okay, and there's a letter. Oh, Tiana, this drawing's cool. Oh, cool. Awesome.
Super cool.
Really good.
Hey, I got a Shopkins too. Well,
Stickers as well. Awesome.
stickers. I got a brush.
Okay.
I got a brush.
You got a brush? Wow, that's a weighty blind bag.
Let me see.
Whoa. Feel the packaging. That's a big blind bag. Okay. Mum, blind bag. 2 blind bags.
Can I have a blind bag too?
3 blind bags. Oh, upside down. Thank you very much.
It says squishy pop on it.
Okay, so I'm going to open the biggest one out the bunch there.
And I got a really cute one.
And there's a pink envelope, and I'll do the letter after I open the blind bags.
Is that still
I can see candy.
candy?
Ooh, which is Fizz, Pops. I love them. They are chewy and sweet. They are.
I know, they are.
Fun Gums and a Chupa Chups lollipop, and we love Chupa Chups, guys.
Is this lips? This is a rubber.
Yeah, you're right.
I've got one of these as well. Oh wow.
Did you get yours from Smiggle? Princess card, very cute. Tiana, you're the best YouTuber ever from Lucy. Very nice card. Thank you very much for the sweets and things.
I don't think you've got this one.
I know she's gonna have that Shopkin.
I don't.
Oh, she's got another Shopkin that she hasn't got in her collection, guys. You've done it again.
Thank you.
Who's it from? Is it?
That's that the big envelope.
Is that the big envelope? Okay, very nice.
See who's in my squishy pot. Ooh.
See-through.
Yeah.
See-through pony. Another blind bag here.
It's electric. Thank you.
I mean, Tiana's got a lot of Shopkins in her collection, as you guys must know already. And on fan mail videos, you always send a Shopkin she hasn't got, and I just think that's amazing.
Some I do got, but that's still fun.
Yeah, but you know, it's just, you know, you get in that one what you need in your collection. It's just awesome.
Yeah.
And the more I see you with that moustache on, the more it suits you. Do you want? You need a beard to go with that.
What if it pulls hairs off though?
What do you mean pulls hairs off?
What's
Okay.
this?
Is
Huh?
that a phone case?
What's this?
Tiana, you gotta get them on. You said to your fans you're gonna wear all the bracelets. You got some squishy pops. Oh,
Yeah.
love it.
What is this?
And that's from Olivia. All these, Tiana.
Thank you.
There's a letter from Olivia. And you opened that yet, Tiana?
I don't know what it is.
A calculator, I think.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Here you go, and I'm right. Calculator.
Hey, look! Subway!
Is that Subway? Subway. Subway. Oh man,
Where's the on button?
that's funny.
Where's the on button?
And you've got some Shopkins
Bracelets.
and bits and pieces here. Rubber or eraser.
Eraser. But where's
Someone's
the...
drawn you some Pepkins. I think.
Oh, yes!
Wow, is that a Zappy? No, it's not a Zappy. From Scarlett. There you go. Look at the Shopkins she's been drawing for you.
Happy
Is that Egg Chick? That's Egg Chick.
Yeah.
Egg Chick.
It says it below it too.
Cool.
Yay!
Okay, so all these letters have just been handed to me
Where's
by
the
Mum.
on button? I can't see
Are they
it.
from?
That's just one letter.
Is that from one person?
Mum, can you see an on button?
Wow. Loads of letters from them. I think that name is Elsie Clark.
Ooh,
If I pronounced that wrong, I apologise. There you go. One from Elsie Clark. And we've got posters, drawings.
Whoa!
She doesn't like warheads. She said that in this letter. Well, I don't either.
This is really pretty.
Just sent like drawings of all her family. Isn't that cool? Hey. Yeah.
The Shopkins as well.
Awesome. Wow.
Ooh!
Shopkins. Cool. Okay.
This is really fun opening fan mail. This has turned into a fan mail slash.
Wow. Look at all these.
Ooh!
Okay.
So this is like a fan mail slash what's it called? Fantastic.
Fantastic. Yeah.
I'm
Toys
gonna-
and Me rocks.
I'm
Bam.
gonna put one on me.
And that's from, you know, these goodies here. What I just passed you.
Yeah.
They are from Evie. This is a letter from Evie.
Thank you.
Thank you, Evie. What are you doing, Tiana? You putting the stickers on. You need to be opening this so we can get the pile down.
I love stickers.
Okay.
I like putting them on me too.
Wow. Well, you know where they can go? In your Smingles pencil case.
We have these pencils at school.
Some drawings,
And a
letters.
sharpener too.
Thank you.
What colour pen is this? I think it's green.
Oh, your lollipop's dropped.
Lollipop? Oh, I've seen these pens before. What colour do you think this will be, Mum?
Try it on a bit of paper.
A rubbish one, though.
Nice drawing there as well. Where's the me? Woohoo.
Blue.
Blue.
I can take it to school then. Yay!
Yay!
Would you like to open it, Mum?
Maima.
That is very colourful.
Yeah, that's the drawings. Toys and Me. She's done a few.
Thank you.
Really cool. Right, okay, this pile. Guys, I think we're going to be having to add to the next fan mail video some of these in this video because there's like, the pile just it's not going down. It's just big. Is that another chain for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is
Can't get it on my head. What?
Shopkin in that one.
Bracelet.
Yeah. Shopkins.
Right. Oh. Oh,
Oh,
Tiana.
Oh, that was from Freya.
Thank you. I think it's...
She's drawing you a picture of a doggy.
Oh, cute.
Oh. Toys and Me. Ah, that's
How's
cute.
this too small for you?
Very nice, Freya. Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Wow, this is heavy.
Is it?
Phil.
Oh my gosh. What's
Right, open me, cool surprises inside. Okay, let's do this then.
Yeah, cool.
Right, what have
Did
we?
you rip anything then?
Ah, we've got a box. Okay. Oh, mail's falling over again off the table.
Uh-oh. Super cool though.
So, okay, so books. We've got suitcase, Vikings, put them in the box. And who sent you that? Let's have a look. Oh, that's cool.
This is a sticker.
Oh, Isabella sent you the 2 books, Tiana.
Thank
There's a
you.
letter from Isabella.
What can I stick this onto? How about the top of your head?
Why don't you give it to Mum so she can get it out?
Or why don't I just put it on the top of your head?
Oh, very nice letter there from Isabella. Thank you very much. Card from Isabella. Look what's on the front. Kitty kitty. Tiana loves those.
Yeah.
All right, so Tiana, I think we've got probably 5 more minutes of fan mail opening because the video will just be too long. Okay?
Yeah.
So we can save some fan mail for to add to the next collection. This pile doesn't seem to be changing though, Tiana.
No.
There's another letter
Look
there.
where Mummy stuck it though.
I know, funny.
Here's my letter. My prices.
Ooh. E-man. That's cool. Is that from the surprises?
Yeah.
Very nice. I like the colours on the writing. Very neat handwriting. Yes, it is. I forgot that one. What's from the books?
Let me see that one.
Yeah. Key rings. Okay.
It says friends.
Let's open this one here. This one's staring at me.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let me try to find. I'm gonna go deep with this one.
Go deep then. Yeah, why not?
I'm going deep.
Wow.
Yeah. This one's.
Right, I've gone deep, and at the bottom
I got a
of
big
the
one.
pile. Someone likes cars. Someone likes sending you coins.
Coin.
I can't find a letter in there though.
Bouncy ball. Daddy, I'm gonna have that.
Go for it. There's no room on the table. Oh!
That's cool.
Okay. Olivia. Very nice. Thank you very much. She loves you. Loves your channel. Trolls. Is that open? Is that you?
Yeah. You can do the rest if you want to.
Right, this is my last one, Tiana.
This is not mine though.
You can do one more after that, okay? Skateboard. Awesome. Wow. Minions again. Got a lot of minions in this video. Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. I like these.
From Jessica. There's a letter from Jessica.
For like the pictures and then notes and this. And thank you.
Jessica, that is, Tiana.
Yeah.
And that's for all the bits you just got, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, cute. Right,
Oh,
I'm doing this
all
one.
these stickers.
Wow.
Some paper as well. Oh. And the notes there. Oh, this is heavy.
Wow. So that's your last one then, Tiana, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, just. Oh, my scissors are getting berries. Woo.
Oh. Okay, so you've got some butterflies and you've got a dot to dot to do on this one. You know them dot to dots, which are fun. Ooh, shots of your channel of some of your thumbnails.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Erasers galore. Butterflies. Okay. So there we are.
Right.
So this is the last one. So let's do this then, Tiana. We'll add the rest to the next video. I'm going to help you with this. It seems big. Okay.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. Okay, you've got a collection of books in there, Tiana. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then some letters.
Letters. Thank you.
Okay. So yes, thank you, Isabella. Some poems there. Very nice. One to Jordan, one to Tiana, one to me. And this one's for Mum. Thank you very much.
But we didn't open that one.
No.
Because we didn't realise that.
Yeah, I thought those were all for Tiana, but there you go. So,
You
we've
didn't
come
show them what you look like.
oh, do I have to? I've just got a pair of earrings, guys, and there's that chain.
No, come on, show them.
Alright, I'm going to come round and show you then, yeah? The jewellery, what they've put on me. Just for you, Tiana. So, guys, what do you think to my earrings?
Me and Dad are a switch
Am I
around.
blinging?
Me and Dad switch around. I'm a boy
Okay,
this time, but I'm
very
actually a
nice.
girl.
Look
And Daddy's
at
a
those
boy.
glitters. Woo! Alright, so now I've showed you. Bye. So, Tiana, the bracelets.
Yay!
They're the bracelets. Okay, so there's some mail left on the table, guys, and a few fell onto the floor. We'll add them to the next fan mail video, which will probably be in about 10 days to 2 weeks. And we'll do one again.
Yes, and if any of you guys want to send some fan mail, right there.
Yes, so it's been a good opening.
Again, and I'm so grateful for all of it, and I'm very jingly right
Yeah, she's very jingly.
Yes. So thank you, everybody.
Yes, guys, that was a good time opening the mail. As always, so thank you guys for sending me the mail as well.
I'm sure Jordan will.
And my plushie, very nice. Thank you very much.
Yes. So that's all for today. I enjoyed today's video. I love you all. See you soon.
Bye.
Right, I'm gonna rip it off.
Oh, that's gonna hurt. Go fast, fast.
No, I'm gonna do it slow. Hello, Summer. naughty and I put all of my toys in the garage. And I stole some money and I stole the car again.